guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a face mask review, and today I am testing out this Garnier Hyaluronic Aloe Replumping Serum Mask. I don't think I've tried this one yet. This is for dry skin, which I am suffering with my skin at the moment. It is so dry and I'm just having breakouts. I'm just really struggling with my skin at the moment, so I really need this. So it has 2% hyaluronic acid and aloe vera and glycerin. It replumps and hydrates for dry skin. Skin is intensely rehydrated and feels less dry. It feels refreshed and soothed and looks more luminous, rested and plumped with moisture. Definitely really need this. My face is clean and washed, so yeah, let's pop it on. As you can see, my skin is looking quite dull and boring at the moment, so I'm hoping this gives it that refreshing boost. Okay, so I'm keeping this on for 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm taking the mask off and I'm just wiping off some of the excess. Already my face looks so much better. It looked really dull and boring before. Now it looks a lot more brighter, refreshed, glowy and hydrated. So I'm really happy with that mask. Again, Garnier masks never fail. They are the best masks in my opinion. They are my favourites. I actually really like this one. It is super hydrating. I haven't come across a Garnier mask that I dislike. I like them all, but I love trying out the new ones. And just look at my skin. It looks so good right now. It looks really hydrated, a lot more brighter. It was really dull and boring before, really pale. It looks a lot more brighter and refreshed now, and it feels really good. It doesn't feel as dry. It feels really hydrated. So I definitely needed this. So if you are thinking about trying this Garnier mask, it's definitely worth it. These are like only £3 or £3.50. So really affordable masks, and they are so good. Every single one of them is so good. So yeah, I definitely recommend this one too. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Garnier Hyaluronic Aloe Replumping Serum Mask. I hope you all liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!